welcome back to my channel. Today I want to review the Nuna Rava Carseat. I have been sent this car seat, but I absolutely love it, and I'm going to go into the reasons why I love it and the pros and cons of other car seats to this one. We have been going through car seats because Olivia is a very tall girl, okay? And I'm not going to name the other car seat brands, but I'm just going to do the pros and cons of what I've tested before. With the Nuna Rava, we love it so much, and the reasons why, I'm going to go over the specs and everything. I feel like this information could be really valuable for people who are researching and looking for car seats and have a child with a certain body type. I feel like the Nuna Rava really caters to all body types. The Rava goes from infant to toddler, and it's rear facing and forward facing, and I want to kind of go into Olivia's car seat history and things like that. We did have the Nuna Pippa, and Olivia is a really tall girl, and at 3 months we felt fit that we put her into a regular car seat just because it gives her more room, and she was a taller baby. She's a taller baby, a bigger baby, but she is wonderful. And we're just gonna get into it, and I kind of want to go over the specs with you guys just so you kind of get the gist of the car seat. Let me just start off with saying that installing the Rava was the easiest car seat installation that I've ever had. All you do is you just open up the fabric in the car seat, and you open it, and there's a door. You just have the bolts to bolt in your car, and you're good to go. It literally is the easiest installation ever. As I'm going to read this to you guys, it says that from 5 to 50 pounds you can do rear facing, or whatever the law is in your state, you can go by that as well. Forward facing, you can do 25 to 65 pounds, which is amazing. The reason why I liked this car seat and I was doing research on it is because it does have a leg extension for taller babies, and Olivia, like I said, takes after her daddy and is tall. And another feature that really helps me is it does have recline, and then you can put it up, and it will show you on the bottom. I'm gonna put a video here. It shows you on the bottom of the car seat how you can recline it for forward facing, rear facing, and all that kind of stuff. And it's so hassle free. It has the coolest little cup holders on the side that can recline into the car seat. Super helpful. Okay, so it also comes with the side impact air pockets, and they're called SIP. I'm not sure what that means. You guys can correct me down below, but you can optimize that, and you can just press the button and it pops out of the car seat to have more, I guess, protection. So it's energy absorbing foam in there. Okay, I'm reading from this. I should read before I talk. Okay, so this is a big thing for me. I am a stickler about the harness. I've had a car seat in the past that had a really weird magnetic harness. I didn't trust it. It freaked me out every time. I literally cried. I was like, I don't like this harness. This harness in the Rava is amazing. So it is the typical 5-point harness, but I like it just because it just feels so secure. This is what it says: steel frame and reinforces belt path for superior protection. So I really love the belt in this car seat. It's a super cozy car seat also, and she doesn't get too hot in it. That's a big thing for me because we live in San Diego, so it gets super hot in the summer, and it's not hot for her. We have the blackberry color, and we enjoy it a lot. I'm gonna read what it says in this little pamphlet which comes with it, and it's super easy. 10 position recline. So that's the recline that I showed you guys earlier. A 10 position recline with a button that works with the seat and rear facing either way. Perfect fit. Infant head and body inserts are removable and grow with the baby. Room to grow. 1 hand height adjustable for 10 position head support, and that's really big for us as well. So all you have to do is move up the head. I'll put another clip here. All you have to do is move up the head part, and it will grow with the baby's head. And especially if you do forward facing, your toddler is going to get taller and taller, and it's going to be easier for you guys to kind of adjust the car seat. This has climate control, so I knew it was good for Olivia because she doesn't get hot in it. Ventilation panels within the shell and breathable knit fabric create a comfy climate and even last longer for trips. Laid back leg room. This is a big one for us. Give up to 2 inches more leg room rear facing and extra support and forward-facing riders. Okay, so there is a little manual that I went through. So there's the end of my review for the car seat. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Like I said, it is the most amazing car seat and we've really enjoyed it for the past couple of months. Thank you, Nuna, for sending it to us. We are forever grateful because it is so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later.